Here's a detailed piece. FATHIA Balogun's heartfelt tribute to her son's academic excellence. Subscribe to our channel for more videos. Renowned actress and filmmaker, FATHIA Balogun, has taken to her social media platforms to celebrate a monumental achievement in her family. Her son has graduated with a first-class degree, a milestone that reflects not only his hard work but also the unwavering support and guidance of a proud mother. In her heartfelt message, FATHIA expressed deep joy and gratitude. "Today, my heart beams with pride as I celebrate my brilliant son, who has achieved the remarkable feat of graduating with a first-class degree. Your relentless pursuit of excellence, discipline, and commitment have proven that no dream is too big, and no obstacle is insurmountable. You have set a standard of excellence that will inspire generations. As a mother, seeing you achieve this makes every sacrifice, prayer, and moment worthwhile. This is just the beginning of great things for you, and I know you will continue to soar high. Always remember, the world is yours to conquer, and I will always be here cheering you on. Congratulations, my dear son. You are a testament to what dedication can achieve." Asterisk. The Nollywood star's post has since garnered massive attention, with fans and colleagues in the entertainment industry showering her and her son with congratulatory messages. Many have commended her for being a source of inspiration and raising a son who exemplifies academic excellence and discipline. This achievement adds another feather to FATHIA's cap, as she continues to excel not only in her career but also in her role as a mother. Her message serves as a reminder of the joys that come with raising children to aim for the stars.